Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Virgos, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that, Virgos. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have High Priestess, Two of Fire, and Queen of Fire. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship. So, today you are understanding a particular circumstance. Maybe that was not clear to you before. You were quite confused, or you are doubting something, doubting your own knowledge about a particular circumstance. But today you see your circumstances clearly. You have that understanding what has happened and what is the reason. So you your intuition is guiding you today, or your instincts, or deep down you just know the truth, and that is revealing itself to you today. So maybe in this relationship, this may be the case here. Maybe you know what is there in this person's heart. Deep down, what are they thinking? What is the truth? So, some understanding and things are going in a better way because of that. And maybe today you are feeling really happy, cheerful, thankful to be in this relationship. Maybe you do not know where this connection is going, whether towards marriage or uh, that next level, maybe engagement or a strong commitment. But you are someone really honest. Maybe this person is really honest. Virgos, if you are thinking, if you have this question in your mind, whether they are honest towards you or not, with these cards, I can say that they are definitely trustworthy and loyal to you. And you are having a beautiful friendship in this relationship. So you have a good understanding, mutual love, respect, and caring is there in this relationship. And this is a very positive connection, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards. And you are working together, collaborating, helping each other in your life, trying to build that beautiful, positive relationship, and things are going just as it should. And you are feeling really passionate, cheerful. If you are single, you are really cheerful, in a good mindset today, passionate about what you do. And this positive energy will attract someone really interesting towards you guys. So, someone interesting is coming towards you for some of you. And things are taking a very positive shape today in your relationship. So, for your relationship, we picked one card and it says Page of Air. So, you are having a very good understanding what will work, what will not work, and you want to make the right choices in this connection, and you're curious to find out more about this person, try to understand them. So maybe this may be a new love, new relationship, guys. So just like I said, someone interesting is coming towards you, Virgos, if you are single. But if you are already in a connection, you are really curious to understand them. It is something, a good kind of curiosity. You want to understand them to build that positive relationship, guys. So that is going to work, that is going to make this relationship work for you, Virgos. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. Six of Fire. So you are making the right choices in your career circumstances, and you are like an example to the people who are working with you. They feel really inspired by your work, inspired by your attitude, and you are someone really talented and skilled, and that is going to land you a lot of opportunities today, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the first card for y'all, for those who chose this card. Red Riding Hood, Rites of Passage. So that is the card here, guys. So in your circumstances, maybe you are trusting someone that you cannot trust. Maybe this person may have some mask, maybe they are hiding their true intentions. They are trying to be really friendly with you, trying to groom you or influence you in some ways, but they are doing that to harm you, guys. So you must have a clarity today, have clarity. Be really aware of the people you are with, maybe whom you should trust and whom you should not trust. So you must be really discerning. That is what this card is about. And you need to remember who you are and what are your capabilities and what are you and what is your life path. And you need to be focused. You should not give in to any distractions coming your way. So you should not be deceived by appearances also, guys, because appearances are deceiving. So you should see your circumstances with your heart, not with your head. That will give you clarity. And you must stay on course. Maybe whatever dreams you have for your life, you must stay towards that. Be really focused. You must stay safe. Because right now, your situation, in your circumstances, you are losing focus and you are maybe thinking of something you need not do, maybe giving into some temptations and trusting people whom you should not trust. So you must be really careful, guys. You must stay focused to your goals and the purpose of your life. And in your heart of hearts, deep down, your instincts will tell you what you need to do. You should go for it. You should trust your instincts, and you must always remember who you are, what are your goals, and you must also be aware of your, what to say, of our own nature, guys. Even all of us have goodness and bad qualities, good and bad qualities in us. So we must be really aware of those bad qualities and be really good, try to be good, and try to be that person who is always positive and who is always focused. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be really careful about whom you trust today. That is the energy with this card. So for those who chose the second card, so that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. So we will keep this card aside. We will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Soulmates. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, the energy is that soulmates are people who come to us maybe for a short time or for a long time, but our relationship with them is the reason for some change that happens within us. So, soulmates can be friends or family members, but they are your greatest gift, guys, because they are here for a reason. So, in a relationship, when we have that deep attraction, that bonding, perfect bonding with this person, love, that love that overwhelms us in a very positive way, that changes us. The same way, some soulmates, what to say, they cause a strong aversion in us towards them, maybe hatred also. So these relationships, these soulmates just break us down and they help us to realize what we are deep down, what are our uh, characteristics, and it just brings out our true nature. So no matter whether our soul, this relationship is a good one or a bad one, you are in presence of a soulmate, and you need to pay attention today, guys, because this person is here to give you a picture of yourself. So you must be really aware of what is happening right now. Be really mindful of your circumstances today. And this relationship is going to give you that emotional and spiritual growth, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.